Make sure you take part in a vote on the level of rent you will pay for next year. Rent setting is one of the most important decisions that we take each year. Because it affects all tenants, it is very important that you are given the opportunity to have your say. We have now launched our annual rent level options consultation, asking all tenants to vote for the level of rent you wish to pay for the next year. You can take part by completing the rent level options form that was recently posted to you, or take part in the survey online using the link in the description. Please take a few minutes to complete this important consultation. Make your voice heard. Take part today.
Preparing your home for winter. During periods of winter weather, your pipes can freeze. This can cause a burst pipe, which can seriously damage your property. You can prevent your pipes from freezing by leaving your heating on a low setting at all times, if you can, during periods of severe winter weather. If you're going away during the winter, you should leave your heating on low, if you can, to protect your property from damage. You can also let us know and we will come and drain your heating system to give you peace of mind. Just call our repairs service centre on 01738 476 000, option 1, to let us know you will be away. What to do if your pipes freeze this winter? If pipes which are part of the hot water system freeze, turn off or extinguish the source of heat, like your immersion heater, gas boiler or coal-fired back boiler. Turn off the supply of water at the stop valve. Before trying to thaw the pipe, remove or protect anything which might be damaged if the pipe bursts. Finally, gently heat the frozen section of the pipe using a fan heater, hairdryer, hot water bottle or heated cloths, wrapped round the pipe. What to do if your pipes burst? Turn off the water at the main stop valve in the property. Turn on the taps to empty all pipes. Switch off the boiler and the water heating systems. If you use a back boiler, you should extinguish any coal fire. Turn off the electrical supply. Electricity and water are a bad combination. Contact the repairs centre immediately. Warn neighbours if they are likely to be affected. If water is coming through the ceiling, collect it in buckets or containers and move items that are likely to be damaged.
Good afternoon, my name is Councillor Tom McEwen, the convener of Housing and Social Wellbeing here in Perth and Kinross. It's great to be here on this lovely day in Abernethy to look at these brand new houses the Council has built with Haddon Construction. These houses are fit for the future, fit for now with the energy crisis and the cost of living. We have triple glazed houses with superb insulation and energy efficient heating. This will benefit the residents moving into these houses as we move forward in the current economy. Wider on the actual estate, we also have a mix of houses, not just the social rent, but we have mid-market rent, and we also have houses for shared equity to help people to get first time onto the market. And this is an excellent opportunity here in this part of Perth and Kinross to do this.
Energy saving tips for the winter. We all want to keep our energy bills as low as possible. Just making a few simple tweaks to your everyday routine could help cut down your energy use and your bills this winter. Every little helps. Turn your thermostat down slightly. One of the simplest ways to save energy is by turning your heating down by a single degree. You might not think such a small amount would make much difference, but according to the Energy Saving Trust, lowering your thermostat from 20 degrees to 19 degrees, for example, can save 10% on your heating bill. Unplug your devices. Your phone, tablet, or TV still use energy on standby. You can save around £55 a year just by remembering to turn off your devices and appliances when you're not using them. Move your sofa. Big furniture close to your radiator can stop heat reaching the room. Move them an inch or two away for better air circulation, and your rooms will be warm and cozy much faster. Close the curtains. Heat starts to escape when the sun goes down. Draw your curtains or close the blinds to keep the warmth in. Switch off the lights. Getting everyone in your home to only light rooms that are being used can help you save around £20 on your annual energy bill.